This is the first example for the mild task today, so we're going to do number 1 together. If you've looked at the slides, the first thing that it tells you to do is to underline the important words and the numbers. So if you look at the little box above the addition and subtraction word clues, they might help you. In 1 month, 382 adults and 65 children stayed in a hotel. How many people stayed at the hotel altogether? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to underline the numbers. So in 1 month, 382 adults and 65 children stayed in a hotel. Now I'm going to underline the important words. So how many people stayed at the hotel all together? So I'm asked all together. So if I look at my clue above, all together is here and that comes under addition. So it's asking you to add. This brings us on to the second part in our steps to success. So we've decided on the operation, which is addition. Now we move on to step number 3, which is to choose a method, column addition perhaps, subtraction, a number line or partitioning, whatever you found easiest. I have chosen to go for the column method. If you're doing the column method, make sure that you are continuing to use the correct layout and that you are showing you're working out. Last thing to point out, make sure that you write your answers in the right format. So if you're dealing with centimetres or pounds, make sure that you add that back into your answer. And one last time, read back over the question, double check your steps before you move on to the next problem.